Here's a fun one today that I think will help a lot of people who are out there looking for jobs and who are using OpenClaw. You could automate a lot of the process of discovering the jobs that you're looking for and creating cover letters and resumes using OpenClaw, cron jobs, and this is how I am doing it. After spending $10 billion worth of tokens in my OpenClaw setup, I need a way to pay for that. So wanted to explore some full-time opportunities, and I built this system in OpenClaw. Oh, huge bonus, stick around. I am giving away all the files that are related to this setup in the video at the end, so stick around. Here's a jobs board. So this board is a Notion document that gets populated using a cron job where my new agent named Job will go out and scour job boards, look for opportunities based on criteria that I set, and post them over to this job. So looking at this table, we have the title of the job, we have the company, a brief company summary because I have no idea what many of these companies do, the URL to the job listing to review it, and drop down column of decisions. Really interesting. So the first cron job that runs is a discovery job, and this is the file set that I'll be giving everyone. It's a running a daily job sweep. It goes to a bunch of different websites, Greenhouse, Lever, using the browser and a curl crawl agent, and it will come back with a list of jobs. So the jobs are selected based on my job search preferences page. So the cron runs, it'll get a list of available jobs, it'll look at this job search preferences, and it'll say I'm looking for someone for the titles that contain growth, marketer or marketing, seniority level director, senior vice president. So it has all these criteria that I could set and tune, and it will use this criteria to evaluate whether to add the job to the jobs board. And when I get to the jobs board, everything's great, and I have a drop down to set a decision to either interested or pass. There's a couple other options here, but the double dash means it has not been evaluated yet. Set it to pass, nothing happens, but when I set it to interested, another cron job runs later in the day, and it will take my career page. So there's a career page, it has my resume, it has all the work that I've done over the years, it has all the referrals, it has all my history, projects that I have, it has my full kind of work body. It's, pasted my LinkedIn page, pasted all my resume information, all my projects, and I created this career page. And it will use this career page to craft a resume. And so I said, excuse me, that I was interested in this growth marketing lead at Linear. And it went in and it created this cover letter. The tone of the cover letter is not great, so I need to go in and adjust that. So there's a crafting directive in my file set where I give it the tone of voice and things like that. And then it built me a resume specifically tailored to the job that we're applying for. So if they're saying that they need account-based marketing, then this resume will be tailored to kind of reflect that. So it has all my even the company work that I have in my resume, it'll tailor that to the job being applied for. I don't have the actual process of the cover letter and the resume show up over here. I don't have the actual application process automated yet because I really want to fine-tune the cover letter and the resume authoring. I've only been running this for less than a day now, so that would be the next step. If you really just want to set it loose and have it go and apply for you, then go for it. But the cover letter specifically needs a lot of fine-tuning in terms of the writing style for it not to be completely obvious that it is a bot. So for the file set that's included, so our agent is Job. It's an agent network. It's a job search assistant, reports to me. It does, after it runs, it will go to Slack and we'll post an update in Slack, but now I'm checking the jobs table in Notion on my own. Memory, so the key IDs are the company's database, the jobs database, the application documents. So these are the custom resumes and cover letters edits. Created the search preferences or the jobs I'm targeting, my career page, yeah. So this is the memory. Here are some of the rules. It needs to check the search preferences page at all times. The sole is here as well. This is included in the file set that I will be sharing. And finally, cron job 1, which is the sweep of the files. So it's going to go out, discover all the files, all the different websites that it uses to search for jobs. And then the second cron job is the resume and cover letter generation. So anytime that I toggle to interested and the cover letter URL and resume URL are empty, then the cron job will pick that up and generate a new resume and cover letter. And finally, in the job set or the file set is the cursor build plan. So I use cursor to pretty much control my OpenClaw installation and setup. I tasked cursor with building the system architecture. References the career page, the search preferences, then it has open cron jobs, and so I am sharing the cursor build plan, and you would be able to kind of paste that into, if you're using Claude Code or something similar, you'd be able to paste this in and say, create something similar to me, and it should to this, and it should be able to build everything for you. Yeah, early days. I probably will be adding the auto apply in the next couple days, and see how it goes from there. Good luck out there.